Hi guys, so today we will talk about braces and oral hygiene. Braces are amazing because they give you the perfect smile that will make you feel more confident. But you should be prepared for the fact that taking care of your teeth will be more difficult once you get braces. So be ready to spend a little more time in the bathroom to keep your braces clean, and few changes in your diet will also help. If you have braces, you can easily relate to this. Food particles get easily stuck under your braces, so you can start with rinsing your mouth with water after every meal. An interdental brush can be used to clean in between every set of brackets. While brushing, hold the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle and brush over the surface of each tooth and between the braces. Although you should brush for at least 2 minutes, but with braces, do not rush even if it takes more than that. Also, be sure to clean between your teeth with floss at least once every day. Rinsing with a mouthwash that contains fluoride may help to strengthen the enamel of your teeth and prevent tooth decay. Here are certain things which also should be kept in mind. Avoid sticky and sugary foods because they can be a cause of tooth decay. Hard foods should be avoided while you have braces because they can break wires and loosen the brackets. To prevent damage to your front teeth, cut fruits into bite-sized pieces before eating. Routine dental exams are another part of caring for braces, as it will assure you that your at-home oral hygiene routine is working. Also, you will need to see your orthodontist regularly so that he or she can check your braces and make necessary arrangements. Believe me, this all will be worth because at the end, you're going to have a happy and beautiful smile. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.